out to the memory of our great friend Charlie Hillard, who's up in airshow. Now from international competition, we learned the maneuvers from a Czechoslovakian pilot by the name of Ladislav Basic. It's based on street slang in the Czech Republic. It's hard to translate, but it's the equivalent of being at their national festival, drinking their national drink, which is plum brandy, and then trying to walk. It's called the Lancashire. It means you're tipsy or out of control. And this is what happens if you drink too much Swivel-Mix. You go end over end and you just embarrass yourself as you walk along. Give Jan Palmer a big round of applause. And I potency of Swivel-Mix in some wild
I like the way it turned out.
Now, back in World War I, a way to engage the enemy in air-to-air combat was developed by Max Immelman. It gave the person who accomplished the maneuver an advantage in a dogfight of being high. Jan's going to do the first basic Max Immelman turn. 1/2 loop with 1/2 roll. And the advantage goes into the extra 300. He does a second one, 1/2 loop and 1/2 roll. Now, if 2 were not enough, with his skill, he's going to squeeze out a third, and this is what rolls Max Immelman over in his grave. Never in his wildest dreams would he ever thought that anybody would ever be able to get to Immelman's. Well, they had different technology.